In this guide, I'll show you how to fix mic echo on PS5. So from the home screen, select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and we're going to go to sound settings. Then select microphone settings and go to input device. Now I recommend you use a headset with a mic rather than the mic on your controller, as you'll be more likely to pick up background noise. Now we're going to be adjusting the microphone level, so having the microphone level too high will cause your mic to pick up a lot of background noise in your environment. So make sure the background noise in your environment is low, as well as try reducing your microphone level so it's less likely to pick stuff up. Now with your actual microphone, you also want to ensure that it's as close to your mouth as possible, and for certain games, you'll be able to adjust the microphone threshold so it's less likely to pick up background noise when you're not talking. Now if you're still experiencing mic echo, you could also try closing out the game you're playing and relaunching it, as well as leaving parties if you're in them and rejoining them. And you could also try swapping out your controller or headset to see if that's what's causing the problem. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.